Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new ClickBank tutorial. Do you want to start your ClickBank affiliate marketing journey? If yes, then complete this tutorial. This is the easiest way to make money with ClickBank. It's 100% free and 100% secret method. So, if you're really interested to start your ClickBank affiliate marketing journey, then complete this tutorial step by step. I will show you how you can create account on ClickBank, how you choose the best product to promote, then finally the traffic system, and the most important and the best part of this system of this method, you don't need to create any content. You can use other people's content, just a simple copy paste method. So guys, if you're really interested, then complete this tutorial step by step. Don't miss any part of this video. I will show you step by step everything. So if you are a newbie, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter. Just follow this method and apply this method and get results. So guys, let's see why this method is easy. Okay, you can use other people's content, then it's 100% free method, no marketing knowledge needed. Then it's simply copy and paste. First complete this tutorial, then copy and paste this method and get results. I hope you must get result. Then no website needed, no video making needed, and no needs to run ads on Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or anything else. Then no product creation needed, no email marketing needed, no marketing knowledge needed, coding skill needed, no previous working skill needed. That's why I can say it's the easiest way to make money online and the easiest way to promote ClickBank products. Now guys, let me introduce myself first. I am Rajibhadro. I am an affiliate marketer over 9 years. I am working here and it's my YouTube channel Rajibhadro. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. So if you're really interested with affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of money making opportunities. You can see inside my YouTube channel, ClickBank method, JBZoo method, Warrior Plus method, CPA method, free traffic, paid traffic. You will get everything inside my YouTube channel. Okay guys, and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my video description. A lot of money making opportunity is awaiting for you. Now I will show you the step by step process. The first step, you have to create your ClickBank account, and if you already have ClickBank account, then fine. Even if you don't have ClickBank account, you can use TGS Store, you can use Market Health, okay, for applying this method. At the first, you have to create your ClickBank account. Then step number two, you have to choose your targeted product, the best product to promote. And number three, the free traffic system, and you can use other people's content. How can you do it? Everything I will show you step by step. So guys, don't miss any part of this video, and if you really love this video, then like it, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and if you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Rajibhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. I hope you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, let's see how to create ClickBank account. It's so much easy and simple. Just put your country name. Almost every country is allowed here. Then your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password. Then fill all the criteria here. Then click here, term and condition, and join ClickBank. It's so much easy and simple to join on ClickBank. Okay, after that, step number two, you have to choose best product, high converting product to promote your ClickBank to promote ClickBank products and make ClickBank function. Okay, after login into your ClickBank account, visit the ClickBank marketplace here. You see here the ClickBank marketplace. Okay, Then you can see all the categories of ClickBank. You see here all the categories of ClickBank product. You can choose any of the category for this method, any of the category. Okay, but in this case I choose health and fitness. Okay, uh, I choose health and fitness basically because if I choose health and fitness, then all over the alls everyone is into my customer. Okay, everyone, you can turn everyone into your customer if you can promote health and fitness related product. Okay, you see here all the health and fitness related products here. Okay, now let me explain something how you can choose best ClickBank products. You see here initial conversion, recurring or reveal conversion, then the gravity score. You have to focus all the three things when you want to choose any best high converting ClickBank products. At the first you have to focus what's the how much you get after the initial commission. Okay, then the recurring or revealed, does it a recurring product or a revealed product or not. Okay, if it's a recurring product, then every month you get this type of commission, and the gravity score, how much affiliate make this products sales. Okay, you have to focus all the key things to choose the high converting ClickBank products. Okay, then simply click the promote button and get your hook link. Now you can choose any of the product. Now today I want to promote diabetes products. Okay, if you want to promote, if I want to promote this product, this diabetes freedom. Okay, it's a little a small sales space. Now I want to get a other product. Okay, okay, I want to promote this product. Okay, it's 20 days. What's the product? The smoothie diet 21 days rapid weight loss program. Okay, 21 days rapid weight loss program. It's the sales page of this product. Now I want to promote this product. Okay, fine. At the first I have to get the affiliate link. Okay, just click the promote button and you see here generate hook links, and it's your affiliate link and you have to promote this link. Okay, fine. Now the main part is traffic, how you can promote this affiliate link, how you can generate traffic. I will show you, but first thing, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. A lot of money making opportunities, a lot of traffic opportunities inside my YouTube channel, and check my video description to get traffic opportunity, to get big money opportunities. Okay, now I will show you how you can use other people's content to get traffic. Okay, how to lose weight fast. Search on Google how to lose weight fast. A lot of website makes various helpful content. You see here. Now you can open any of the sites. Okay, the healthline.com, how to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps based on science. Okay, it's the post. Now you can use this content. Okay, you can use other content. Now let me see the monthly visitor of this website. Okay, if I check it, the similar web on similar web, then 297.10 million. Oh my god. Now this on 98.70 million. But now you can choose any of the content, any of the website to get traffic. Now how can you do it? Okay, I will show you how can you do it easily. Just simply copy and paste method. Here is no difficulty, so anyone can easily apply this method. Now visit this website Synaply. Okay, you can shorten your call to action inside this website using this site. Okay, you can shorten your call to action. Now how can you do it? I will show you. At the first you have to create account on Synaply. You can use your Twitter account, Facebook account, or you can create manually, okay, using your email address. Then when you want to create account on Synaply, you have to choose various plan, monthly plan, yearly plan. You don't need to choose any plan. First you create your free account here. Then if you get results, then you can upgrade your plan, otherwise no. So guys, let's see how I add call to action and how I use other people's content to get traffic. Okay, after creating account here, just create a snip. Okay, then you choose here the types button. Now enter your message here. Enter my message. I want to write "21-day rapid weight loss program." Okay, button text. You see here 21-day rapid weight loss program. Learn more. Okay, learn more. And the button URL here is your affiliate URL. Okay, just simply copy the affiliate URL and paste it. Okay, then continue. Here is your affiliate URL added. Now continue. Okay, you can change your color here, but you have to choose your monthly paid plan to choose it. Okay, don't need to change anything. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Now finish. Okay, then create a link. Enter affiliate link, and in this and in here you can use the copy this link, then paste the link here. Okay, then you see here inside this page, here is your snip link here, shorten link here. Now snip, and if you have to share this link. Okay, if you copy this link and search it. Okay, you see here, you just use other people's content, and inside here you get this 21 days rapid weight loss program and learn more. If you click the learn more, then you see here is your ClickBank sales page. It's your sales page. That's it. Now your task not complete. Here is not complete. Now how can you get traffic to this page? Okay, and for this the best one is Facebook, because a lot of people searching various helpful weight loss related content, and for this reason you can share it on Facebook. And if you suppose you can say I want to share my direct affiliate link on Facebook. Why I get it? If you share direct affiliate link on Facebook, then your affiliate link, your post can be removed. But if you use this system, then you get traffic. Otherwise, your post can be removed. Now, see here, just if you share this link, don't need to write any call to action. Okay, suppose you share this link. You see here how to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps based on science. It's the post of this Healthline website. Okay, now if someone visit this link, okay, and you see here it's your affiliate link here, your call to action here. That's it. Now you can find out a lot of weight loss related groups here. Okay, weight loss related groups. You see a lot of weight loss related groups, and don't make at a random post here. Okay, make a post, then make another post on 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later. Okay, then at the first you have to join the various weight loss related groups here, or your targeted niche related. Suppose you want to promote bodybuilding, then join the bodybuilding related niche. If you want to promote beauty related products, then join the beauty related groups here, and make a simple post, helpful post. No one can claim against you. Okay, just simple post, and inside here you can use your URL, affiliate URL. That's the simple way to promote, the easiest way to promote ClickBank products. So guys, if you really like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing for and online marketing, then check my video description. A lot of money making opportunities here, traffic opportunities here. So you can build your online business, you can start your affiliate marketing journey successfully, I hope. So guys, now I want to repeat the entire method once again. If you miss any part, then focus it. Okay, at the first you have to create your ClickBank account. Okay, after that visit the ClickBank marketplace to choose your high converting ClickBank products. You can get all the ClickBank products here, all the categories here. Okay, then click the promote button to get your affiliate link like this. Okay, now you have to shorten your URL, you have to shorten your call to action inside using this Sniply. Okay, it's the process. After that you have to, and you can get all the helpful content on Google. Simply use any of the content and then Sniply your content and share it on Facebook, various groups, and get traffic. It's the best way, the easiest way to promote ClickBank products and earn ClickBank commission. So guys, that's it. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get latest, newest, various affiliate marketing method tutorial inside my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you really like it, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video, subscribe this channel, and comment this video. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Bye.